Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make beautiful solar systems step by step. Gather planets, paints, LED lights, fishing line, and a sturdy base. Plan scale and orbital spacing before you begin. Start with a blueprint, paint largest planets first, add texture with sponges, attach planets by clear fishing line at varying lengths, and use LED lights for the sun and ambient glow. Finish with a top coat to protect paint and hang securely. Prep makes craft time smooth and fun, so set up all materials on a clean table with good light. Prime each polystyrene ball to ensure paint layers stick and textures pop. Mix colors ahead of time for consistent planetary shades, and test LED placement so wiring hides under the base. Keep a small toolkit nearby: drill, hot glue, ruler, and needle for fishing line holes. Protect your work surface with paper or plastic. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making creative guides. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker as background ambience while you craft, and ask it to play spacey tunes or timers hands-free. It pairs perfectly with a cozy craft session or display lighting. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Assemble with patience and a steady hand, starting from the sun and moving outward to avoid tangles. Drill small holes, thread fishing line, and secure each planet with a knot plus a dab of glue for stability. Test balance and adjust height so orbits do not collide, then tuck wiring neatly beneath the base to hide LEDs. Finish by sealing paint, adding small details like rings or moonlets, and allowing full cure before hanging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.